Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. The other day I had lunch with an old friend of mine, and while we were chatting she mentioned the fact that her sister was coming down to London to stay with her for the first time in many years. I couldn't recall her ever having spoken about a sister before, so I asked if she was close to her sister, and she said, well, kind of, not really to be honest, but at least this time, mercifully, she'll be coming alone and not with her husband. Being a nosy sort of person, I asked what the problem was with the husband, and my friend said that basically she just didn't get her sister's relationship with her husband. She said she acted like a bit of a doormat with the husband. She let her husband walk all over her, and basically she seemed to just be there to provide for him, to cater to his every whim. And, as my friend put it, she bends over backwards to do whatever is asked of her. If someone bends over backwards to do something, they'll do everything they can. They'll make every effort to help or to please somebody. And obviously, this can be negative, as in this particular instance, or it can be a good thing. I remember Ukrainian friends of mine when they first moved to Poland in the immediate aftermath of February 24th last year, when the Russian full-scale invasion was launched, saying that they were amazed by how helpful everybody was towards them. People were bending over backwards to help when they arrived. Maybe if you work in a very competitive industry, like English language teaching, for example, you often find that staff turnover is very high. Lots of people come and go. So bosses will often bend over backwards to keep their best teachers. They'll offer them all kinds of different incentives, for example. If you want to be complimentary about a company or a service, you might say, oh, they're an amazing company. They bend over backwards to accommodate or please their customers. I had a message from my daughter's school recently talking about maintaining digital security and protecting kids' identities online. And in the message it said, please rest assured that we are bending over backwards to ensure that safeguards are kept in place. And you might also use this phrase when you're complaining to your teenage children. You might say, God, I bend over backwards to make life easier for you and you don't even notice. That's all the thanks I get. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use bend over backwards to do something.